안녕하세요. This is Gia again. Today we'll be making Kkoma Kimbap, which means kids kimbap. This small kimbap is called Kkoma Kimbap not because the recipe is for children, but it's because of its small petite size, and it's much easier to make and eat. Let me introduce my version of Kkoma Kimbap. Let's get started. We'll start by making an egg omelette. Crack 4 eggs in a bowl. Add salt and stir until smooth, being careful not to create too much foam. Remove a string of eggs. The white stringy part of egg is not harmful, but removing it contributes to creating a uniform and improved omelette. Add about half a teaspoon of vegetable oil to the pan and heat the pan over medium to medium-low heat. Wipe off the excess oil from the pan using a paper towel. A thin layer of oil helps to make a thin and silky egg texture. Pour 1/3 of egg mixture into the pan, creating a thin layer of egg omelette. Once one side is cooked, flip it over and cook it for additional 10 seconds. Okay, now proceed to make the next omelette. Cut the cucumber into 2-inch thick lengths and then julienne it. Creating fine cucumber strips enhances the quality of this kimbap. Now proceed to roughly shred the crab meat. Here's a tip to make one of the most preferred kimbap. Rinse the well-fermented chopped kimchi under running cold water. Then squeeze out the excess water from the kimchi. Washed kimchi is commonly used as a filling for mandu, dumplings, and kimbap. Stack the egg omelette on the board. Roll it and then finely julienne them. Prepare cooked rice in a bowl. Season it with salt. Add a splash of sesame oil and mix. Now it's time to assemble the rolls. Place the dried seaweed kim on the board. Coat your hands with a little bit of oil to prevent ingredients from sticking to your hands. Place a handful of cooked rice on the seaweed and spread it evenly, leaving an inch space at the top. Extend the rice almost to the end of the bottom of the seaweed. We'll be preparing small size, so cut the seaweed bedded with rice into 3 to 4 pieces. This makes it easier to stack the ingredients and roll. Alright, stack the prepared ingredients on the 1/3 section of the rice. Now carefully roll the seaweed, applying a bit of pressure. Tuck the bottom edge into the rice and roll. For the next roll, lay a piece of romaine on the rice. Add crab meat, cucumbers, and eggs. Once more, tuck and roll. Now, let's prepare a dipping sauce. In a small bowl, combine brown sugar, rice vinegar, soy sauce, water, and Korean yellow mustard, yeonggeoja. Mix them well to dissolve the mustard. I never get tired of eating kimbap because there isn't a must ingredient. There are tons of different recipes and I just choose the filling depending on my mood. Today I added very few ingredients and it was easily wrapped in 30 minutes. Thank you for watching. I'll meet you in my next video.